Welcome back everyone to another VanillaSoft how-to video. Today's topic is just going to be basics on how to create an email and an SMS template for your reps to use. So what we're going to do is from the black bar up top, we're going to go to email, SMS, and docs. We're going to look at email templates. Now it's going to default to bring up one of your already created email templates. It's actually just going to bring up the appointment reminder that goes out. If you wanted to edit this, you certainly could down here. And then obviously go to hit save, and any of your edits would be captured here. You can actually, once you've created different email templates, you can just select the drop down and you can bring any one of them up. But what we're going to do is we're going to just try to create one from scratch. You actually, if you create a lot of different email templates, you can actually create categories for them to kind of group them together. But that's really meant for if you have, eventually a ton of different email templates. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to add, and we're going to give our email template a name, and we'll just call this first email template. We're going to add it, and now I'm in first email template. I don't have any categories. If I did, maybe you could give categories to each rep. Each rep has their own category by their name, so that when their templates pop up, it's categorized. That's a possibility too. But here we're just going to leave no category. We do want it available to all callers, so I would click on that. This portion you leave completely unchecked. You do not want contacts to route back around if somebody's opened the email. Trust me. You do not want contacts to be reopened if they're closed. You just don't want to do that. If you have questions about that, let me know. If you want anybody to be blind copied on these templates or CC'd on these templates, you certainly could. Our subject here is going to be, let's just call it, this is my first email template. Now, if I wanted to insert a contact variable, meaning any field within the contact record, I would go here. I can insert it in the body of the email, but I can also insert it here too. So if I wanted to say, let's say the record's name, the lead's name is Joe. So I want this to say, this is my first email template, comma, Joe. I would simply comma that, give it a space, and I'm going to insert a contact variable, and I'm going to look. This is literally how many variables you have. Quite a few. But what I'm looking for is first name. So now it's going to set it up like that. So when I email a lead, it's going to automatically put their first name in. We do the same here. You always create your emails in HTML. So we go, dear, let's insert a contact variable. This is Fortis College. Are you still interested? Oops, if I spelled it right. In the, and I could go in here, insert contact variable, and I'm just going to put program name in. boom, program name, program. All right. And you could throw a bunch of different things in. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. You could, put information about you in the SIG file. Um, whether it's contact owner or whether it's user first name. What I would suggest is to go through the insert variables and take a look. There's a ton of different ones you can use: user first name, user last name, user full name. Just take a look and see. But you have a ton of different things that you can throw into an email. Once you are done, you can actually even insert an unsubscribe link. Not necessary in this regard. These are all opted-in leads, so you don't have to put an unsubscribe link in. You certainly could, though. And then you would go up here and hit save, and that was it, and that's it. Your email template would save. You can also send a test email to yourself by clicking right here if you want to see what this email would look like being sent. Obviously, you have all kinds of different, the typical Microsoft Word type things that you can do here: copy and paste, bullet points, things like that. So you can even insert video if you need to do that. You can insert contact, or you can insert links. So really, it's totally up to you. If you have anybody on staff that knows HTML coding language, you could actually put pictures and make professional looking emails. This actually accepts full HTML language. Here, honestly, I would just keep it relatively simple. The less pictures you have, the less links that you have, the more likely it won't get caught in spam filters. So again, you'd hit save and you'd be good to go. And now your filter, or your template is created and saved. And again, you can toggle to any template you want to here and change things around. So if I wanted to go back to my appointment reminder message, I would go to my appointment reminder message. And you can go to any one you want. SMS works the exact same way. You have a bunch of SMS templates down here. So again, I went to the bar. I scrolled down from email, SMS, and docs to SMS templates. And here we have a list here. If you want to edit a template, you just click on it. If you want to add a template, you want to put a name here: test text template, and we want to add it. Okay, you can give it a description. Okay, we're just going to give test. And now your message should be 150 characters, but you can also insert contact variables. So I think you get the idea. You can actually plug your mobile number in here and send a test text to yourself as well. You go ahead and you also want to make this available to all callers. Very important. Make that available to all callers. Hit save. And now that texting template is saved and readily available to be used. So that is how you create and edit texting and email templates. Until next time, happy vanilla softing.